Hey guys, Maggie Kirkland here. I just wanted to talk about a common myth that people have about lighting in portraits. They see the sunshine outside and they think, it's bright and sunny, let's go stand in the sun for a portrait. And I want to tell you and show you why that's not a good idea. So right now I'm standing out in the sunshine, and what you're trying to capture in a portrait is you're trying to see their face and you're trying to have a nice relaxed expression on the person's face or on your own face. And when you're out in the sun, you actually can't see your eyes very well. They get squinty for one, because it's way too bright, and it also causes really harsh shadows and lighting, which isn't actually flattering in portraits. You want nice soft lighting, and it's also, as it's getting brighter right now, it's making me squint so much, so you can't see my eyes, and that's actually what is the most important thing. So what I'm gonna do to fix being out in the sun is I'm going to be out in the sun but move over to a shady area, and that is going to stop me from squinting, and you're going to be able to see my face and my eyes a lot more, and the shadows aren't going to be as harsh. So here I go, moving into a shady area, and look at that. Those harsh shadows are totally gone. You can see my face, it's lit up really well, and my eyes are nice and bright, which is what is the most important thing in a portrait of somebody. So there you have it. There's the myth busted about being in the sunshine and sunshine being good for photos. You actually want to get out of the sun and find some nice shade. Thanks so much for watching. This is Maggie Kirkland. I appreciate you being here. If you want more photography tips, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel right here, or go to maggiekirkland.com for more photography resources.